Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com doing a quick comparison video. I had a request to do a comparison video with the French oak versus the Oyster versus the Ivory tower. So here they are, all three next to each other. And the two that are very close is the Oyster and the French oak. French oak on the right, Oyster on the left. Gonna get a close-up here. The French oak does have a little bit warmer undertone, and it's got a little bit more visual character. As you can see, the wood graining just a little bit more. On the Oyster, it has a little bit more of a gray. And while it still has some subtle warm tones, it still kind of has more gray, and it's less character. Not much less, but less. And then of course the Ivory tower is very consistent, and it is a whitewash. So it's kind of got a tan undertone with some whitewashing in the wood grain. So there's those three. Hopefully this video is helpful. We have a lot of people wanting to compare the Oyster with the French oak as they are so close together. But just close up at those, then backing off. Hopefully that will give you a little insight. And let me know how I can help you more. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.